Hey guys, I welcome you once again to another tutorial. My name is Faith Abraham, Creative Director, Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Okay, so in today's class, I'm going to teach us how to make crinoline rosettes. Okay, and then how you can also use it as a mini fascinator, maybe for children or for teenagers. And then, of course, some adults can also rock it. So what do we need? Of course, you need your wool gum, you need this band, okay, you need your matching thread, your needle. I have my crinoline with me. You need roses. Okay, so in our previous classes I taught us how to make this roses, both designs. If you have not seen those videos on how to achieve these roses, please check in on the channel. You will get them, or I will drop links to both roses so that you can learn how to make roses yourself. Okay, so I have here with me 2 yards of crinoline. Okay, and then when I'm teaching, the first rule of your crinoline is that you secure the edges because of the frailty or the fragile nature of crinoline. Okay, so we use our wool gum. Did I tell you we'll be needing these as well? It's called felt. Okay, so I apply my wool gum to the edge or to the tip of my crinoline. Some people will call it crinoline, whichsoever one you find comfortable, convenient, and easy for you to pronounce. Please, English is not our mother's tongue. Okay, I'll bring it together. And then I'll use my end to twist it. Okay, in some other cases you can use thread to tie it properly. You can also use paper tape to seal the mouth. Okay, but it depends on the kind of style you want to achieve. For this one, we shouldn't use paper tape because it's going to be transparent. You go show our shiri, we show in the outside, in the public place, and we don't want our shiri to show in the public place. You see, we've secured it, so it's not going to fray anymore. So we do the same to the other end. It's a very simple style. These are styles that comes very handy. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, bring it together like we did to the other end. All right, don't forget I'm using 2 yards of crinoline for this. Okay, you can use more. It depends on how full you want the rosette to be. I also have on the channel how to make a different kind of crinoline rosette. You can also check that up. All right, and please, if you've not subscribed, if you're watching this channel and you've not subscribed, don't shoot yourself in the leg, because you have a lot to learn in this channel. So I encourage you to subscribe and tap on the bell so you'll be the first to know the moment we drop a new video. And then, of course, your subscription is also to encourage us. Okay, comment, give a thumbs up if you know you like what we are doing, you like this style. Give a thumbs up, encourage us. That's your only two-way, and of course that's the only way you can encourage us, and those things actually keeps us going. Share the video also. Okay, so we are done. Both ends are secured. All right, So I have my thread inserted into my needle already. So I'm going to start picking a pleat, okay, from the middle, of the crinoline. I'm going to make picking a pleat, or you can do what we call running stitches. So let's say we are doing a running stitch in the middle or on the middle of the crinoline, okay? Have you subscribed yet? Don't just watch, subscribe. Don't tune away until you subscribe, otherwise I'm going to come to your house and catch you. All right, so we've gotten to the end. So at this point you pull the thread to form a rose, or to form a plait, or to form gathers, whichsoever one. But what we are doing here right now is rosettes, crinoline rosettes, and this is the step. Sorry, I didn't know the camera was not catching or picking everything rather. So this is what we have. Okay, so I'm going to sew using the needle to sew, making sure that this end we picked, both ends are facing the same direction. You see, this is facing here and this is facing here. Okay, so I'm going to sew the middle to keep the pleats in place for us. So I tack the middle to keep all of those pleats, in place for us. So I've tacked to secure. Okay, I've tacked to secure. You can secure it further, so you won't have wardrobe disaster the day you rock it or the day your client rocks it. Okay, All right, so our rose is ready. See, it's looking beautiful. Okay, so at this point, before I cut off my thread, I'm going to attach this band, this elastic band to it. You can choose to, cover it up with this first, this way. Let's cover it first. So let me tie my thread. Okay, so let's cover it with this. Okay, so apply my I'm not going to allow the wax to get to this middle, because if it gets to the middle, we won't be able to attach the band to it. The wax will become very hard, and then our needle will not penetrate or go through. Okay, which side should we use as back or front? Both sides look beautiful. Okay, let's use here. You're very careful when you are using all this gum. They can mess up your job. Look at what it did. I didn't notice it on time. So we've glued this to it. Now at this point, we'll attach our Alice band. Okay. So this is how to make crinoline rosettes. One type of crinoline rosette. Don't forget, this is the crinoline rosette itself. At this point, now we are turning it into a fascinator. Okay, so it's a 2-in-1 class. So I'm securing my thread. So right about now, we are going to use a rose here. You see our homemade rose. I encourage you to give this a try. You can use this, or you can use this. Let's use this. What do you think? Beautiful or not beautiful? My video here posts. So let's use this. All right, so you apply your glue gun here and attach it to your fascinator. And this is ready. All right, so thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, give a thumbs up, and share this video. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you. I love you loads. Don't forget that we are available for online classes. If you want one, if you want a physical class one-on-one, we are also available. If you have a seminar where you need us to teach a group of women how to do all of this, we are also available. We can travel to other states and outside the country. Thank you for staying tuned, and bye-bye.